Kim of YugaTech, and as you all know, the V11 and V11i have a built-in feature that can enhance your gaming experience. And of course, we're talking about Jovi Game Mode. In a previous video, if you guys remember, we discussed what Jovi exactly is, and no, not that Jovi. It's Vivo's AI assistant that helps you with a variety of things. The V11i alone can already provide good performance because of its Helio P60 chipset, 4GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage. But why settle for just that when you can get some help from Jovi? So, how do we activate Jovi Game Mode? Watch and listen carefully, gamers. The first thing you need to do is download the games that you want to play. Whether it's Mobile Legends, PUBG, or Asphalt, download whatever you want to play. Once it's installed, go to Settings, scroll down to Jovi, but don't look for Bon Jovi, okay? And from there, you can see the game mode. Now, all you need to do is to tap it. Here, you will see your installed game. Then, it's simply a matter of tapping on the toggle on your desired game to activate the game mode. Now, the game mode is activated. Open the game that you want to play. The game assistant will greet you with a quick status report of your device, as well as the features that can be enabled during gameplay. But if you want quick access to game mode anytime, you can enable the game assistant sidebar, which puts all the features at thumb's reach during games by simply sliding sideways on the screen. You can tick the background calls option, which automatically answers phone calls during gameplay. But you don't have to worry about this because it won't ruin your gameplay, trust me. But if you don't like to be interrupted at all, there's also an auto reject calls option that will make your V11 or V11i not accept calls at all while you're playing. It's like a do not disturb sign for your phone. But as most of you know, the most common distraction during a game is when something pops up on the screen, right? And we know how annoying that is. But Jovi has got you covered with a block floating previous option. Now let's talk about the coolest mode, and we bet everyone will love this for sure. The bot mode, where the game will continue running even when the screen is off. What? That's so cool, Vivo. There's also the disable automatic Wi-Fi connection option that allows you to avoid lag. Jovi will let you automatically connect to a Wi-Fi network if it knows that it has poor signal. And finally, we have a really cool one, game picture-in-picture mode. Sometimes we don't want to be disturbed while playing, but other times we really need to answer a message. So, during games, this lets you open a chat app by simply sliding down with 3 fingers from the top of the screen to reveal the WeChat, WhatsApp, Viber, and Line floating window. So with all these features, what are you even waiting for? If you play games on your Vivo V11 or V11i, go ahead and try it out. And that wraps up this video. If you like this video, you know where that thumbs up button is. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more content. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of our future uploads, and visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Kim, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!